You can play a simple pattern like pattern 6 that we've been playing with just no accents, and you can put your audience to sleep within 5 minutes and just drone on and down, 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 down. But adding an accent to the pattern will bring the pattern to life. It will help it fit into the band better. It will help it jive with the drummer more, and it'll just, people won't be falling asleep to pattern 6 with accents. So what we're going to do today, first we're going to just look at pattern number 6 with accents on, and we'll do different ones. Let's put accent on number 1 first, then we'll go to 2 and 4, and we'll go to 3, and we'll just see how it changes the feel. So let's go to a G chord, and let's do pattern 6 like accent on 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now notice that I'm strumming all the way down on 1, and then I'm just doing the top strings. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Okay, we can also do the high strings. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, good. Let's put an accent on 3. See what that feels like. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, see how that feels? A little bit different. So you can work on, sometimes you'd put an accent on 1 and 3. Let's do that. Here we go. Ready? 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, good. Now we've kind of mixed it up a little bit. We've done accents on 1 and accents on 1 and 3, accents on 3. You can do accents on offbeats too. You're going to notice your pattern 6 has accents on 1, the and of 2, and 4. That's putting an accent on an and would really change it up. So I'm going to play it slow one time so you can hear it, and then we'll try to do it together. And go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, good. That would be at 80 beats per minute, and go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. You remember this pattern? We've done this before. Let's do it together now with our G chord. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Good. You want to make sure that if you're having a little trouble with that, you want to count out loud with that. Make sure you can count it, slow it down, even like right now, and go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... So you can kind of count that out until you're really comfortable with it, and then you can play it with songs, different songs. You're going to use that for a lot of songs in the future.